Good morning, everyone. Today is October 22nd, 2019, so we're right on the cusp of Scorpio season. I just wanted to take a peek about what this Scorpio season has in store for all of us. So I chose 4 cards, and the first card is all about where we are right now at this cusp position. Great. So we have the Knight of Pentacles. Ooh, a couple of pentacles, actually. Wow. Okay, cool. So I laid all 4 of them out, and I'll take a shot of the spread too, just so you can take a look at it. But the first card I got was this Knight of Pentacles. So lots of financial opportunities right now. Lots of people coming in with offers. The Knight of Pentacles can also just indicate that a lot of your financial ideas are about to start to gain some momentum. The Knight of Pentacles can also indicate that you might be traveling for work or money, or you might actually be relocating, and financial opportunities around that area will be good. And usually Pentacles indicate fall, and we are in the thick of fall now that today is the equinox. So it makes a lot of sense that starting today, a lot of these financial opportunities are coming through in a big way, because this Ace of Pentacles is something that is very much available for you as well, and it's in the second position here. A lot of the times the second position in this 4-card spread is just what needs to be realized in order for it to be released. And that Ace of Pentacles is just the start of something new. So refreshing any of your financial situations, also refreshing your health, taking a good look at your health, whether or not you need to start a new routine, a new sleep schedule, possibly a new eating schedule, or even just a healthy relationship with you and your finances. So starting from scratch and really reevaluating your material attachments. And usually when we reevaluate our material attachments and we let some of those things go, new opportunities start to come in, and a new way of life begins. So a lot of the time that Ace of Pentacles is exactly what that means. Aces are always in relation to one, or the beginning of something, singularity, or individual aspects. So if you're thinking about starting your own business, fall is a perfect time for that. So we've got a couple of pentacles right off the hop, which is great. The right side up, so they're nice and active and positive. And then we also have this 2 of Wands here. So this is what we need to call in this Scorpio season, and what it is active learning. Active learning that will take us to places that we want to go. Also learning about where we want to go, what those future goals are. We have this new beginning that we can really take hold of. So why not grasp it and make some of those goals larger? How are you going to get those goals sorted out? How are you going to obtain what you want from those goals? You're going to learn. So deeper knowledge. Scorpio season is also about deeper knowledge, not just necessarily about yourself, but deeper knowledge in general to help you expand as well. So having this 2 of Wands, also, it's really interesting. You see he's holding like a little globe there, and he's wondering where to go. He's got one of the wands that he is using as a walking stick. So it's really interesting to sort of see the fact that we have that Knight of Pentacles and we have that 2 of Wands. So big opportunities for travel. If you plant a lot of financial seeds this Scorpio season, you might see some travel in the spring. And if you do see that travel in the spring, it's going to give you all sorts of new perspectives, especially creatively. Sometimes the 2 of Wands can also just indicate the fact that you might need to look to a different horizon to get different perspective creatively. Maybe you've been in the same creative mode day in and day out, and you need sort of a refresher. You need to learn something new. So having that and calling that in is beautiful. And let's just take a look at this 4th card here. Judgment. we got the Judgment card. So when we get this Judgment card, a lot of the time, it just means that there's something that we need to let go of. So, I mean, sure, fall cleaning, purging, releasing all of those past judgments that people have placed upon us, all of those negative voices. Also the judgment that we place upon ourselves, which holds absolutely no water. That Judgment card is all about, you know, releasing and letting go. It can also be in relation to your family life and the way you grew up. How you are releasing some of the patterns of what you have been conditioned into. So releasing some of that conditioning and finding your own way and celebrating your own way. Not allowing the judgment of narrow-minded people to affect you anymore because it's your life. You're going to live it. So yeah, I think that that Judgment card is a beautiful ending for this 4-card spread. I really think that that Judgment card is going to feel like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders at the end of the Scorpio season too. So yes, Scorpio season is all about like getting real deep with yourself, which is learning, which is that learning component, but it's also about your health and releasing any of those like negative energies that have been burdening you. Because once you release those, only new opportunity, new revival of health, also new financial and abundance opportunities come in. Oh my gosh, my hair's so greasy. I need a shower. So yeah, Judgment, yeah, most definitely is a great card to get at that 4-card spread. So yeah, so hopefully this is relatable. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of information. If you are stressed or worried about money or finances, things are looking up. There are opportunities headed your way, especially if you're like looking for a job or you're looking for an investor or you're looking to start your own business. So all of that is totally available for you. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I know I haven't been on YouTube all of that much. I've been sorting out like a musical career and doing some like online stuff and moving. So I have been a little bit thin. I will restart. I actually have a video that I have to edit regarding the Devil card, which is the next step in my instructional series and in my learning series. So that'll be up. But I thought I'd just check in for Scorpio season because, you know, it's nice to take a look. Anyway, if you'd like to schedule a reading with me, hallofvisions.com for virtual readings. And if you are in the Atlanta area, you can visit me at modernmysticshop.com. You can schedule an appointment with me in person in Atlanta at modernmystictarot.com. And I'll put those little links in down below. So hopefully you got something from this. If you have any questions, again, put them in the comments down below. I read the comments. So yeah, and like, subscribe, ring the bell, ring that bell. All right, well, have a great day and enjoy your Scorpio season. More content to come.